Our team coverage continues. Our crew's been driving around the state all afternoon, as I mentioned, to the areas that have already been hit with heavy rains and high winds. Fox 61's Tim Latow joins us live in Simsbury, where several hundred people were without power earlier tonight. Tim, what can you tell us? What are you seeing out there?
Yeah, that's right, Sarah. We started out in Hartford, drove down to the coast, now back up to Simsbury here, as you mentioned, where, more than 450 people were without power, according to Eversource. Thankfully, though, we've seen the power return for so many of these areas, including right here in Simsbury, as the Eversource crews have worked hard all throughout the day. The rain has come down harder, and the wind continues to blow harder as well. Now, meanwhile, I want to show you a few of the other spots we were at today in Milford. Constant rain caused water to pool in the streets and wash up and onto the sidewalks as the sewers became overwhelmed. Over in Guilford, a massive tree crashed down in a front yard and took the power lines with it. As nightfall set in, utility crews had an even more difficult job trying to find damaged power lines in East Lyme. Neighbors there say they've been prepared for anything, especially after they went a week without power during Hurricane Sandy and the blizzard of 2015. Neighbors there have talked about the intense winds that they've seen, and they're also making sure that they're going around and making sure that everything is bolted down outside so things aren't blowing around. And one of the neighbors we talked with, too, he's been a telephone utility pole worker as well in the past, and he mentioned how he admires the crews and what they do in all kinds of weather conditions. Now, towns and cities are urging people to secure outdoor objects and prepare for power outages and possible impacts of coastal flooding, as Rachel was mentioning. Leaders are warning that travel may be difficult, and they want people to watch out for falling trees and blowing objects and to avoid downed power lines and standing water. And we'll be sure to keep you updated both on the air and online at fox61.com with the latest information. For now, live in Simsbury, Tim Latow, Fox 61.